Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to solve weekly contest 292 first problem, which is easiest problem. So the problem number is 22764. So the problem title is like largest three sum digit number in string. Okay. So we are given a string of numbers. So the string contains number from 0 to 9. So yeah, so we have to find a substring of three digits. So there are two mostly concept used in competitive programming. One is a substring, which means continuous character, continuous series of character or numbers, whatever. And one is a subsequence, which cannot be continuous, can which is not continuous, but it maintain maintain the order. Means suppose we go like uh, a, uh, a Rajiv. Okay, so now like Raj is substring, and like RJV is a subsequence. Now since it maintains the order. Okay, now suppose we go like R A, we go V and then J. Since V comes after J, so these are not in order. Okay, so in Rajiv, like V comes afterwards J, but in this V comes after. So this is neither subsequence, neither substring or subsequence. Okay, subsequence. This is not a subsequence. So here, like it should be continuous and same and order. Order should be maintained. Order of characters. Okay. Now here it not continuous. It may be continuous, but order is order is maintained. Okay, let's come to the problem. So what does the problem say? So continuous substring. So we have to find a continuous string and three characters. Okay, and it should contains the same character, unique character. So it all the three characters should be same, and we have to find a maximum good integer as a string with empty string, or return an empty string if there is no such integer. Okay. Now suppose if we see this problem, so there are two characters which are two substring which are answer. One is 777, one is 333. But we need to return the maximum. We need to return the maximum. Okay. So we return 777, which is maximum, which is greater than 333. Now here there is no possible there is only one possible solution, so we return this only. Now here there is no three continuous substring, no three continuous characters, so we are returning empty string. So let's come to the solution. So the solution comes like, see, since the numbers are restricted to three only. Okay, so we can do like one loop. We can create one loop, one for loop, and in for loop we can, and since it is continuous, we can check I minus 1, and 1 is the I, and I plus 1. Okay, these three characters we can check, and if they are equal, then we will maintain the answer, and otherwise we are going to ignore it. So let's create some variables like n is equals to nums dot length, num length. And now so we are going to see longest string str, so it is going to be empty string. And let number uh, number str. Okay, so it is going to, since we need maximum, so we are initially going to put it like minus infinity. Okay, if we need, so it is like, if we need like max, then we keep minus infinity. And if we need like mean, then we keep infinity. Basically, since we are going to use mean, okay, so this concept will come. So we can see like max number. Okay, okay. Now let's create a for loop for let I is equals to 0, I is less than num dot length, and I plus plus. Now see, we need I plus 1, and I minus 1. So we cannot include the 0 and last character. Okay, So we are going to start with first character, like from we are going to, so we are going to skip the first character, like we are going to we always have a zeroth character, and we are going to skip the last character, first and last character. Okay. So now, okay. So now, since so if we do n minus 1, if we include 0, then n minus 1 will be out of bound. And if we include the last character, then n plus 1 will be out of bound. So we include this condition. Okay, we remove first and last character. And even if we include first and last character, it will never be the answer. See, there is no previous answer, so it cannot be three characters. Okay. So now let's start. Now if num of I minus 1 is equals to num of I, and num of I is equals to num of I plus 1. Okay. Okay. Now if it is the same, now we found the possible answer. Now if this like max number max number till now is less than like nums of I. Now, to convert it to integer, we can use a plus symbol. Okay, it will automatically string to integer. It will convert. Okay, this is JavaScript syntax. ES6. So yeah. So now, if we found a greater number, first condition is like we have to check if it is a valid substring. Okay, three characters, and it should be the greatest number. Okay. So default is minus infinity. So any number we found, we will get answer. Even if it is a zero, so zero is greater than minus infinity. So we will find a possible answer, and eventually we will save the greatest number. Then we are going to say max number is going to be the plus of num of I, and like str is going to be like num I dot. We can use a special syntax like repeat, since it is a same character, repeat three times. So it is a string, since nums of I is string, and we can repeat it three times, so it will be written. Now the condition is, so this only, otherwise we are going to ignore it everything. We are not going to have else condition. So yeah, and at the end we are going to return like lstr. So we have to return the string, or okay, we have to return the string. Now the trick is, we what if we don't find the answer. So what if nums is minus infinity? In that case, we have to return like empty string. Okay, that is also that is already there, no need to check. So yeah, so we are checking ls string, so this default is this only. So okay, so let's try to run this. So yeah, 777, so it is answer. Let's try to submit it. So it is accepted. Thank you guys, keep watching.